Man, I'll haunt you in your dreams. Don't call me a. At least I'm the only one have my voice. Who the fuck is calling at this middle of the morning? What the fuck?
Hey Skylar, it's me, Blueski.
Girl, what? That's Blueski? Nah. Blueski or Blue Sky, whatever you are, come here. Why did your voice just change?
Oh yay, the system changed my voice, and why is your voice still the same, girl? What the fuck is that face?
I have the most beautiful face ever, so don't.
Stop lying.
So what do you think of your new house? Is it beautiful?
No, you bitch burned my house.
Man, I'll go to Marley, I'm bored. Wait, I mean Mario. Wait, who the fuck is that? I don't know this guy. Who's this? Maybe that's someone new here. Hello, what's your name? I am Skylar. You look like my friend. Are you him? Because you look like him. I think so.
Girl and Marley, I just took a makeover.
I'm sorry, but you're not Murlo. You're not Murlo for. Did you kidnap him?
No, you bitch, yesterday you called me a mythofucker, and now I am Marley, not Morlo, you dumb get-oo.
Oh my god, finally I'm home. Wait, is that a mouse? What the fuck? Get out of here! Never knew mouse can taste so good.
She's gonna get poisoned.